Good morning. Myself, Dr.Radhika, working as an associate professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Last classes we will discuss about nitrogen, phosphorus. So this class we will discuss about potassiums. Uh, Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassiums are major nutrients. It required larger amount to the growth and development of the plants. So first of all, last class we discussed about nitrogen, phosphorus in detail. This class we discuss about functions of potassium. It's mainly used to form carbonates and protein. Its formation transfers starch, sugars into one place to another place, increase disease resistant and vigor and hardiness. These are the functions of potassium. Main functions is disease resistance. Potassium means it's mainly resisted disease resistance. So it and also transfer the starch, sugars, oils to one part to another part. It's the main functions of potassium. Then materials supply potassiums. What are the materials supply for potassiums? Muriate of potash, sulfate of potash, potassium magnesium sulfate, then potassium nitrogen. First one is muriate of potassium, then it is called as KCl. Then it contains 60 to 62 percentage of K2O. Other nutrient chloride may be toxic, sometime helpful. So then sometime chloride toxic, sometime it will be affected. Then sulfate of potash, it's from K2SO4. Then it contain 50 percentage of potassium content, then 80% of sulfur or sulfate. Then potassium magnesium sulfate, it's contain 22% as K2O, 22% sulfur, 11% magnesium. Potassium nitrate, it contain K2O, 44% of K2O, 13% of nitrogen as nitrate. These are the sources of potassium supply K in the form of K to the plants. What are the nutrients? Muriate of potash, sulfate of potash. Easily remember is muriate of potash, sulfate of potash, potassium magnesium sulfate and potassium nitrate. These are the fertilizers supplying the potassium to the growth. Its main function is disease resistant. Then muriate of potash, sulfate of potash, potassium nitrate, potassium magnesium sulfate are the main sources of potassium. Then potassium deficiency. These are the deficiency of potassium. Mottled, spotted spar, streaked or curled leaves. Then scratched, burned, death leaf tips and margin. Burned leaves sometimes looks like burned. So it's a look like burned and dead leaf tips are deaded. Then margins also dead. So it is a curled leaf and burned leaves. These are the symptoms of potassiums. Then potassium deficiency. The picture shows that the leaves shows the leaves. As the leaves are deaded and then curled. So main pictures is potassium deficiency. It looks like curled leaf, then dead leaves, then got curled in dead leaves, then the burned leaves. It's a potassium deficiency. So these are the potassium deficiency symptoms. Next one is functions of calciums. It says calcium is secondary nutrients. Is a main secondary is a main important for the plant bigger, and also it influences intake and synthesis of other plant nutrients. And this important part of the cell wall is mainly calcium involved in the part of the cell wall. Then functions. Calcium deficiency symptoms: small developed leaves, wrinkled older leaves, dead strips are formed. It's a main deficiency symptoms of calciums. So the picture shows the small developing leaves. Leaves are very little. Leaves are very little in size, wrinkled. Then other one is dead. The stems are dead. So these are the pictures shows the calcium deficiency. Then another element is magnesium. Magnesium. Another secondary element is magnesium. It influences the intake of other essential elements, helps the make fats, and also assisted the translocations of phosphorus and fats. Then magnesium deficiency symptoms are intravenous chlorosis, yellowing of leaves between green veins. In green vein spot, it shows the chlorosis. Then leaf tips curl or cup upward. then slender weak stalks. So magnesium deficiency looks like this. See the intravenal chlorus between the marginal parts. See the marginal parts, it will be looks like the yellow in colors. So next class we will discuss about the functions of sulfur. Thank you.